Hey you, and welcome to this video where we'll help you out how to unnest in Premiere Pro. And you have two ways how to do this. First of all, we want to nest something. So we click here or select every 4 clips, right mouse click, and then we do nest and then we do OK. So now we have our nest right here. If you won't edit anything after your nest, then you can do Ctrl Z and then it's back. But what if you added many things after that you nested something? So then we go back and you want your nest clips back. What you can do now is very simple. Click on it, right mouse click, reveal in project. This is the nested sequence, but this was the old sequence. So what you can do now is click on it, Ctrl Shift F, and here open a new sequence right here with the old clips. So now we can switch. So you can, if you want to select this, Ctrl C, and then do it here, Ctrl V, and you have it back. So these are the two solutions how you can solve this problem. Hopefully this was the video I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.